He governed River State for 8 years, solid years, as a dictator, as an emperor. Nobody talked to him. Nobody directed him. Nobody interfered with his government. He treated the Rivers people as if they were just people who should listen to him and nothing more. The same Wike made himself an APC man, and he said he's still in PDP. What sort of person he is? We are watching to see what will be the end of the road for this man's political career. When he supported the present governor from the riverine area, everybody thanked him because the mainland had ruled this river state for 24 years, starting with Dr. Peter Odley, then Rotimi Amechi, then himself. In this case, he chose the man, the present governor, who worked with him as his accountant general for 8 years. Now he wanted to control him, control him from Abuja. It won't work. Leave the man to run his government. And I'm calling on River State people to stand by their government.